I'm gonna adopt, this reindeer.
Reindeer.
Rudy. The fuck do reindeers sound like?
I don't think I can do that
Reindeers.
again.
Oh, it's like a... Hold on. It didn't even catch what you did just now.
Oh, good. I almost died, so good. That would have been a crime.
Why do they sound like that? Is that really a caribou sound? Why do they sound like that?
They sound like they're like...
They sound like a... You know, like those, like, toy necklaces, like it's like a duck bill? And you blow into it to make a duck sound?